dito para background ko background.
Happy to you. Happy birthday, Alma. Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Alma.
Diyom Rasdinya. Diyom Rasdinya.
Diyom Rasdinya.
Hello, Mang. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Ingat ka palagi, ha? Happy for you at nakasama mo na si Micaela dyan sa place mo. Nakakatuwa. God bless and stay safe lagi, ah. Ingatan mo ang katawan natin at para magkita-kita pa tayo. Love you. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pres Alma. I hope you have a good one. Stay humble, be strong, and always bring the best to everyone. Again, happy birthday, more power, and God bless. From Lasam, Cagayan, Philippines, with love.
Sa pinakamabait, sa isa sa mga pinakamabait at pinakamagalang at I don't know what to say, but you're one of the most wonderful people here that I've come to know, and I'm very happy to have met you, and nagpapasalamat ako sa buhay mo, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na ginagamit ka niya to lead the Filipinos here para maging mas disiplinado, mas matino at mas maging mabait sa isa't isa. And for your birthday, I just wish you nothing but happiness and everything you deserve here on earth. So happy birthday, Madam Pres. Ingat!
Hello kapatid. Alma, happy birthday. Saan ka man ngayon? Alam ko masaya ka kasi kapiling mo na yung anak mo. Magkasama na kayo. Sana lagi kayong masaya. Trabaho, pasyal, kain. Yan talaga buhay. Ingat dyan. Pag gusto magbakasyon, umuwi. Narito naman kami. Dugot naman, magkakapatid tayo. Happy birthday.
Yay! Happy birthday, Alma! I will miss you! Happy birthday, Miss Alma, and congratulations sa katatapos lang nating event.
Alma, happy birthday. Wishing you the best in life and happiness, of course, love. May this next year bring you more blessings. Happy birthday.
Game. President Alma, I wish you a very happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga mabubuting gawain na palagi mong inaalay para sa Filipino community. At maraming salamat din for being a good friend to the embassy and for being a good friend to all of us. We wish you all the best. I wish you all the best sa iyong birthday. At sana marami ka pang birthday na isi-celebrate sa iyong buhay. Mahal ka namin. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Alma. Happy birthday, Alma. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Alma. I just want to thank you, Alma. Thank you very much for your leadership. You inspire me and you inspire my colleagues in the embassy and the community with your hard work, with your commitment to our community. I know it's been hard work. It's not been easy for the past 6 months. We have had some challenges in the community, but with your effervescence, with your can-do spirit, and with your commitment to the welfare of our Filipino community, these things we are able to solve together. I am sad to see you go as president of the All Russia Filipino Community Leaders Council. Maybe in next year she will become president again, but I just want to congratulate you and to thank you for being the first president of the All Russia Filipino Community Leaders Council. Maraming salamat at magkikita pa tayo. At alam ko na kahit wala ka na sa pwesto, ay adya ka pa rin para tumulong because hindi naman pwesto importante. Ang importante yung pagsisilbi. So bravo Alma, maraming salamat at muli happy birthday.
At sa mga true friend mo, ayan.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, thank you,
Wala nang
Pepas.
bayaran daw.
Grateful po ako na kilala ko ang Pepas. Talagang napakabait po nila. Kaya, happy birthday! Ay, naubos siya na! Galing ah! Tsaka para makabayad ng mabili si Ruby!
Para makabayad ako, Diyos ko, uubusin ko talaga. Kahit pagsuka ko magyayari.
Sabi ko, Monica, dito na ate mo, no? Parang hindi totoo. Sabi ko, hindi, apersion lang sa atin.
Nainom ko!